Robert and Dawn Marie traveled the nation looking for the best deals on trucks and trailers.
Welcome to Mutha Trucker Hunters.
On today's episode of Mutha Trucker Hunters,
Welcome
Robert and Dawn
my-
Marie buy a Sprinter van.
Welcome to my new addition, the Dealmobile. This is gonna get me to my next truck deal. We're gonna be boots on the ground, man. I'm set up today. I do believe that I've done it right this time. Truck batteries in the back. This is 700 amps each, so 2,800 amps ought to be just enough to keep the refrigerator and the microwave and I guess the blow dryer, the vacuum cleaner. Really well-made vehicle, and reasonable. Everything was reasonable. I mean, except of course the emission stuff, but beautiful. Have to say hi, baby.
And the wife's not reasonable. Show our bathtub.
Oh yeah, we got our bird bath down below.
Instant bathtub here. This is for afterwards, your gray water.
Okay,
And
my gray water.
That's my rollers, y'all let me see that. And then your bin of towels. And then your bathtub is ready. You got your Clorox here ready to clean it out.
Wow.
You got your pot, your bathing pot.
Oh, I can't wait to see how this works out.
I fit in there.
Cool.
You might not.
Good deal.
But you pour your water in here.
Yes.
And you just sit in here and you bathe.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Hell or two, I'm
Well,
sure.
we'll put a shower in here.
Yeah, and then eventually I'll put a shower in.
We're not.
So,
We don't want to go to hotels.
little freezer right here, which it's going to be fun to get to learn how to use that.
We don't have it here.
Air
because
conditioner
we're
all
gonna
up
have
top.
22 gallons of fresh drinking water.
22 gallons of fresh drinking water. And let's see, there's the front. It is powered by a 3.0 V6, 188 horsepower. It's got 325 foot-pounds of torque. It's got a mean little turbo in the back. I get up to 21 miles a gallon when I'm doing it, with my pedal. 65 mile an hour. It usually gets right at 20 to 21. Then I've got, it goes up to 85, which of course you start getting 15 at 85. But inside, let's see, it stands, well, it's taller than I am. Let's see. And I'm standing right. There you go. Maybe you can see me. I hope you can. But so yeah, I guess it's like 74, 75 inches up top. Pretty cool. Well, anyway, we are going to be on the road here shortly. Hopefully tomorrow we're in Dallas, and this goes as well as what we hope. God willing, it shall.
And then when the coronavirus is over with, I'm going to be traveling with them, looking for deals as well. And besides the Sprinter,
Hey, though, we're coronavirus set though. Look, we got our Lysol. Here, let me flip it around.
yeah,
So we got our Lysol, and both of us have gloves. Our
right.
wipes. Got our mask.
I love it.
We need the Mutha Trucker mask.
Yeah, we need another trucker mask.
Oh yeah. We'll get some other trucker masks. And if you guys don't know who that beautiful lady is, that's Dawn Marie. That's the boss. So we'll leave it at that.
Absolutely.
So no.
All right,
Ready? Here we go. Lift off. There she goes.
Some people are asking if that drone could bring a beer.
Bring him a beer.
Yeah.
I was thinking about doing that for like the homeless. Was attach like a rope, with a little basket and have a Coke and say a little card. Here's a Coke and a smile. Maybe. I thought it was
I love
something like that.
Last words to say to the community, me and you for the first time.
It was a pleasure to meet y'all, and just looking forward to having some more insight from you guys as to what trucks, trailers that you are in need of. Hopefully that we know where those are existing, and through networking, I'm sure we're all going to have a ball.
Yeah, I love that. Good stuff.
Thanks so much for the opportunity, Alex. We love your show.
I appreciate you. Bye.